Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I was in few last day I was searching for a solution that we talked in last video, and it was the problem with the old version of Java running on the brick. Basically, the Lechus uses the JDK7 as a runtime environment, and the the implementation that you're using should be compatible with the runtime environment that the jar file will be executed on the brick later. So basically, you need to implement your program using the uh, JDK7, and then uh, this is the way that you can run your program on the brick when you're using Lechus. In few last day, I searched on the internet and I found a very interesting project, which is an extension on the Lechus. And in this project, they use a newer version of the uh, Debian to handle the problem with with the Java. So basically, in this project, they offer lots of newer, let's say, features with Java uh, holds, and it's compatible with the JDK 11, 12, 13, and 14. So basically, uh, this would be your solution. So the first thing is that you need to download the image for the brick and install the new image on the break. So the introduction and the steps that you need to take care of is provided in the tutorials given by them. So you can use the new version of the image, which holds the newer version of the Java. So I have opened a connection to the break now. So as you see, I can check the version. So at the moment on the break, I have a Java version 11 running. So this helps a lot. So we don't have the issues using the newer methods to implement our program. So it would be compatible with the state machine that we will use. Because I decided to use the stateless for J state machine, and the stateless for J state machine, at least you need to use the Java 8. And for this image running on the brick will solve our problem because it's already have the newer version of the Java on it. And then another interesting feature that this newer version will gives you is that you can connect the Bluetooth via Bluetooth to the brick. So I've used my laptop mobile hotspot to share the internet on my computer to the brick. So basically now a brick gets an IP address from my laptop, and it also has the connection to the internet, so I can update my Linux running on the brick using the Linux command. So I can say, for instance, it will update my brick. So in this manner, we can be sure that we are having the latest version of the packages running on the brick, which is very cool. And the other thing is that as if you saw at the beginning, I've opened here an IntelliJ IDE to run this sample project which they offer on the website. So I cloned the sample project on my computer so to test the functionalities and using the gradle. The gradle is another way to use the share repositories. It's equivalent to Maven somehow, or it's a successor of the Maven, and we can define different tasks. Let me show you some examples. So we can use the Gradle and then tasks. Sorry, I misspelled. Gradle tasks. And then it will gives us the possible commands that we can use for this specific project. As you see, there are multiple different commands that we can run. So for instance, for checking the connection to the brick, we can use the test connection command. And it will deploy a small program on the brick, and it will show us the command, the connection between the computer and the brick is okay. So we are online now, which is basically we already knew that we are connected, since I can use the putty to connect to the brick. And the other cool thing is that I can deploy the code that I'm programming inside my IDE, inside my project, so I can compile the whole thing and wrap it up as a one unit artifact and deploy it on the brick easily using the gradle command. So the corresponding command for the gradle would be deploy, and then when we execute the gradle deploy, it will wrap up the whole project inside one jar file and upload it on the brick. So let me show you this too. Deploy. So we'll start wrap up the whole project inside one jar file and then upload it on the brick. So the compilation is done. Let's check the brick. As you see, I have a jar file, template project gradle, a jar uploaded on the brick. So there are multiple different stuff on the brick. So one of them is my jar file. So I can simply run the jar file using the Java command directly, so the program will be executed on the brick as soon as I press enter. So this is all for this video. You will see more footage of this in the next videos when we start working on our state machine and the stuff. So now I just wanted to represent to you the solution that we're gonna use to solve the problem with the old JDK, and it's very cool that there are the people working on the project and using the newer version of the Java, supporting the breaks with the newer version, so we can easily use the new features which is built inside the newer version of the Java JDK. And thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the videos with the people that you think might be interested in. I also appreciate your comments, and I wish you a very nice day. Thank you.